Expressed breast milk must be stored properly so that its quality is maintained. How to store breast milk properly and according to medical recommendations. As a mother, you certainly want to always give breast milk directly to your little one. However, sometimes, excess milk production makes you have to save it. Breast milk can be stored and can be given to your little one safely. However, you must know how to store breast milk properly so that the quality is maintained to support the growth and development of your little one. There are several things to consider regarding the storage of expressed breast milk, namely the place and the technique or method. Storage facility. You must preserve breast milk in a sterile environment if it isn't given to the infant right away to prevent contamination by dangerous germs. The following are some suggested locations or containers for storing breast milk. 1. Unique breast milk bags. Special bags for breast milk are unique containers with a closure. This bag is made of a thick plastic substance that resists leakage. It is quite simple to use a breast milk storage bag. You don't need to wash it first, you can just pour the breast milk into it. 2. Glass bottles for breast milk. Compared to plastic bottles, glass ones are heavier. However, compared to other items of a similar nature, this container for extracted breast milk has numerous advantages. These days, breastfeeding newborns while using glass breast milk bottles is also possible. The secret is to use a teat that is the same size as the bottle cap in its place. 3. Breast milk bottles made of plastic. Plastic bottles can also be used to store breast milk. Of course, there are a number of factors to think about while selecting a plastic bottle for storing breast milk. One of them is the substance the bottle is made of. Try to purchase polypropylene-based plastic bottles for breast milk, PP. BPA-containing plastic bottles should be avoided because they may be bad for your child's health. How to keep breast milk safe. Knowing how to properly preserve breast milk is equally vital to paying attention to the container. Here are some tips on how to keep breast milk that you ought to remember. When expressing or transferring breast milk to a storage container, make sure your hands are clean. Also, get a clean, sterile container ready. Glass bottles, plastic bottles, or breast milk sacks are all options. It's preferable to stay away from putting too much breast milk in a container when storing it. To make it simpler to close the container, it is better to leave more room. Keep in mind that frozen breast milk might expand. To prevent contamination, don't forget to properly seal the breast milk container. Note the time and date that you expressed the milk after transferring it to the storage container. Use a waterproof pen or marker to prevent fading by making sure it is waterproof. Store expressed breast milk in the freezer or refrigerator. The refrigerator door should not be used to store breast milk because it is easily exposed to outside air. If you pump your milk outside, make sure to monitor the expressed milk's temperature to keep it under control. When breastfeeding outside, use a cooler bag to assist keep the milk chilled. Pay attention to how clean the container and pumping apparatus are. If washing it is not an option, keep the used pump bottle in a clean container before putting it in a cooler bag. Don't combine fresh and frozen breast milk in storage containers. You can use it again the next time you express your milk. Prevent keeping breast milk that has already been consumed. Also, try not to freeze it again.